Building Shale AI to accelerate the innovations in large language models. Fine-tuning large language model is resource intensive. Besides constraints in expertise and compute resources, lack of incentivization for model creation is a key barrier. In the existing AI value chain, monetization of fine-tuned models is largely captured by only those who provide compute infrastructure to serve these models and those who build consumer applications on top of inference endpoints. With Shale AI, we're building an abstraction layer that enables on-chain orchestration of the entire AI supply chain from data, code, compute to capital. And through financialization of model and we're also enabling financialization of model creation with Launchpad and DeFi primitives.